And here's the result of using the app Pickaslicer. Um, it printed when I initially did it. I didn't remember the Nomad always start off small the way it works. Um, but as far as what you can see, it's really good. It printed well, printed out. Um, I did break the antennas because the antennas is going to be really thin, so you have to be very careful unless you're using really hardened resin. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. But the size, uh, I didn't double check to, resize it, so it could be a better resolution, I would say. I have a 4K 3D printer. Um, Also, as you saw in the video, I put it in three parts. For something like this, a bus like this, it's probably better to 3D print it as a whole thing, I think. Um, Still, I'm still a novice at the 3D printing, but yeah. So, but also using another program, another slicer, I did print another one in a bigger size. Um, it's also paid. Right now it is. You do get a lot more far as the what you can do for the pro version of it of lychee slicer, and that's on my computer. I think I used a different resin for this guy. um I did print it in this different resin, I think, from this one. I have a lot more holes. It printed well. I did have uh I did another one before this one. And it failed is more due to not enough supports and also the size of the supports as well. So yeah, I did my research, looked it up, and it worked. I would say when I printed the base, um, I did this one manually. I did the supports automatically on here. This one, I wanted to figure out, you know, how to do manually put supports and whatnot. Um, it printed well. I have a lot of supports that was on the base. From you can see all the little a good sanding would really fix this. This why I have to be some sanding. I don't think it's never a good print when you don't have to sand. But you can also see right here, which I should have done better. From the videos I saw on people that are pros at this, um, there is some warping. You can see kind of on the edge of it. I think I had too many supports, but also where I placed them. I will say more duty to that. You can see on here as well. Anywhere else, it printed fine. You get nice clean edge to it. But overall, I'm satisfied how the detail looks. Again, I break the antennas. You gotta be very careful with those. Um, the details in the ear is really good. This is a 4K. Anything higher resolution is probably gonna be even more incredible. I am looking forward to do some more prints. Nice details. Um, I would say the one thing is the I don't know if it's the base or the model. The shrinkage, it doesn't fit properly in there. I'm pretty sure I could fix it doing some sanding, probably on here on the around the edges of this guy. I'm pretty sure it was the base that shrink, or it was too much resin that cure, but it doesn't fit properly. This one did fit all the way fine. I do have a model I do want to have to cut up. It's a full body one. I'm looking forward to do that one. Also, to mention the surprise, I have a store open right now, Gumroad. So the file you saw is now for free. The first one. I have another one, paid for, but I'm looking forward to adding more to it. Hope you guys, for the printing enthusiasts, I hope you guys, want to print, see anything you like. Uh, I hope you enjoy it. Please comment if you do get anything in print. I would love to hear your experience on it. All right. See you guys next time. Till then.